How to invite people to a Discord server. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily send an invitation to your Discord server. First thing you have to do is open up your Discord and just make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, just go to the server where you have admin controls or you're the owner of, or whichever server you want to send invite to. So I've got this server right here and I'm the owner of the server. What I'm going to do now is in order to send invitation, I can click on this plus icon right here to invite a friend, or you could just tap on the server settings first and then click on invite. Once you do that, this invite a friend pop-up will appear on your screen. If you have your Discord friends, you can directly send them invite. And if you want to copy link, just go ahead and tap on copy link and it will be copied to your clipboard. Now you can also adjust the expiration date for the invite link. So if you tap on edit invite, here you can set the link settings. So let's say if I don't want it to expire ever, so I'm just going to set this never, and then max uses. I'm going to set this to infinity because I can use this link time and again to invite different people. If I just set this to 1, if someone taps on the link will expire automatically. So once you do that, you could also go ahead and turn on temporary membership. And what happens is members are automatically kicked when they disconnect unless a role is assigned. So you can turn this one on if you want. I'm just going to leave it off. Tap on save. Now I'm going to copy the link. Then I'm going to go to my WhatsApp and I'm just going to go ahead and share my Discord link right here. And if someone taps on this link, they will be able to join my Discord server. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.